Yeah, I'm Torben Rocher from Carl Gavassi, and this is my colleague Wayne Schaefer from our American department in Chicago. We're showing here our new smart configurator, which is an easy way of configuring your sensors. IO-Link sensors has grown the last year. 1 year ago was about 8 million sensors. With IO-Link now it's up to 12 million, so running exponential. But what you can do with this one here device is like a multimeter for voltmeter, but it's just a sensor configurator. You can configure all different parameters that you want in the sensor, change the sensor from normally open to normally closed, NPN, PNP, put in logic functions on the sensor, and you just select the sensor that you want to do, press program, and it's done. So in a few seconds you have a fully configured sensor.